Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a beautiful summer baby headband for 6 month to 1 year baby girl. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and this 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and then 14. After making 14 chains, draw a loop from the second chain and then pull the yarn through these 2 loops we have on our crochet hook. This is our single crochet stitch. Now make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, go into the third chain, make a single crochet into it, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, skip 2 chains, into the third one, make a single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, skip 2 chains, into the third one, make a single crochet, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, skip 2 chains and into the last chain, make a single crochet. First row is completed. We would start the second row with 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now turn your work and we would make a single crochet into this very first chain 3 space here. So into this chain 3 space, make a single crochet, then make 3 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space, make 3 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space, make 3 chains, then make a single crochet into this last chain 3 space, and after that make 3 chains again. And now we would make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch. So go into this single crochet stitch and make a single crochet. Now make 3 chains and then turn up the work again for the third row, and very first chain 3 space is here, make a single crochet in it, make 3 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. In this way make 3 chains and make a single crochet in every chain 3 space ahead. In the last we would make a single crochet after chain 3 into this turning chain 3 space. Third row is also completed. You can see our chain pattern. Make 3 chains, make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, then 3 chains and a single crochet in next chain 3 space. So in this way make 3 chains and a single crochet in every chain 3 space till the end. Then make a single crochet in the last turning chain 3. So this is our pattern of chain. You can just repeat this row process according to the required length of headband. I have made 7.5 inches because it is having stretch also. So you can just make according to your own requirement by just increasing the number of rows or decreasing the number of rows. Now pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strands, and this long yarn end will be used to weave these two sides together. So with the help of needle, we would join these two sides. To join them, pull the needle through both side chains and join these two sides together till the end. So I have joined and woven these two yarn ends. Now just cut them with the help of cutter and remove them. Take the right side upward and then add this rolling flower. Tutorial is available on my channel already. I will put the link of this flower tutorial in description box. You can check the link of description box to get the tutorial video. Now we would join this flower to our headband. So we would join this flower with the help of needle. We would start it from the center. So just pull the yarn needle, tapestry needle upside and then downside 2 to 3 times, and then we would start joining other petals layers also, because this is a rolling flower, so it is having layers. We would join flower from different places in each layer, and then we would join the last layer petals also. Our flower would be more secured this way. Then we would make 1 or 2 knots with the help of needle like this way. Then just weave this end in some backside stitches and then cut the extra yarn strand. A beautiful baby headband is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.